guys, I'm finally playing at Crypto.com Arena. This is my first time playing here. Shout out to Kyle Moffitt. He plays on our elite team at El Segundo. He also plays with us at the Tropics as well, but he hasn't played with us the last couple of seasons. Shout out to you for hitting me up for the invite. I've never been invited to play here at Crypto, so this is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for me. I've been playing ice hockey for like 15 to 20 years, and I've never actually played on this ice, so I'm really stoked. I got my ice skates sharpened finally, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how the ice is. I've heard mixed reviews on the ice. I heard the ice isn't that good. I heard it's good. It's an hour-long skate. I don't know how competitive the game's gonna be. I think we might have refs. This is the home of the LA Kings. The LA Kings play here, the Lakers play here, the Clippers play here. It's a really big, crazy arena. It used to be called Staples Center, now it's called Crypto.com, home of the Kings. So I've been a long-time Kings fan. I'm also a Canucks fan, but today, all Kings, baby, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. And we're getting custom jerseys as well, so shout out to Kyle.
I was doing the Tropics.
Hey, how are you?
Good. The entrance goes by.
Yeah. It's gonna be my second skate. So I'm glad you hear that. I heard what happened. Yeah. Thanks, brother. It's my body bag. There's a lot of stuff in it. Don't worry, you guys are good.
Yeah.
What's up, Joey?
Hey, wait, we're gonna mic you up, buddy.
What up?
Here, I'm gonna take him to the bench.
What's up?
All the pucks to me, I'm gonna take him to the bench.
It's cool. I mean, it's cool. Whatever. You leave me in it. No biggie. with the goal horn and everything. Nice deflection, nice deflection. We're not switching sides, we're just staying here. I can't do this. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me. I don't know if that's it or not.
My bet on that break.
You always go for the head, bro.
No, new curve.
This guy's a new curve, yeah. Yeah, right. Always tries to dummy me, bro.
One time I went for his throw, and now he never lets me live it.
Yeah, every time it's the head, bro. It's all good.
You're just in too good a position.
I know, well, hey, just take me out, it's fine. Check out this view. Oh, it's quite the view. Even though we're losing, it's still fun. No one's guarding their guy. That's right, baby.
You have fun out there?
Oh, a lot of fun. So great. First time. Here, guys. Here, guys.
Good, Jeff.
Here, boys. Here, guys.
Good, bro.
Here. Whew. Here, guys. Here, you guys.
I wait,
Here, boys. Here, boys. Here, guys. Here, guys. Here, guys. Have a joy.
That's good?
You gotta spread it out.
Nobody's throwing it off. Nobody's
Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe on your way out. The ice felt really sticky and I got gassed really quick. I don't know if that's because of the ice. I'm not blaming the ice fully, but oh my God. So crazy. Yeah, a lot of fun. We lost 7 or 6-2 or something like that. Something crazy, but it was still a lot of fun. Definitely once in a lifetime opportunity. I always wanted to play here. Super sick. And yeah, shout out to everybody. The arena looks sick on the ice. It's so different. It feels like how I expected it, just like any other rink. So, yeah, it's nice to have blue paint too. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, the ice gets trashed here like really quick. So that's something new that I didn't know. Look at these mats, bros.
Hold on.
And back to our made up locker room.